What if I told you that most hair loss treatments fail, not because they don't work, but because they're trying to fix the wrong problem? Pause for a moment. What if the real reason your hair is thinning has nothing to do with your shampoo, your oils, or the products you apply every day? Here is the truth. Hair does not fall because hair is weak. Hair falls because the body is under pressure. Stress, hidden nutrient deficiencies, hormonal imbalance, chronic inflammation, poor sleep, and daily habits that slowly push hair follicles into survival mode. And this is the most important rule you must understand clearly. No product in the world can force hair to grow if your body is not ready. Welcome to Dr.PureHealth, a channel dedicated to real medical awareness, nutrition, and understanding how the body truly works. Here, we don't chase trends, we don't sell illusions, we explain causes, not shortcuts. Now, let's understand hair loss the right way. Hair loss does not happen overnight. It is a biological process that develops quietly, over weeks, and sometimes months. Hair follicles are living tissue. They depend on blood flow, oxygen, nutrients, hormonal signals, and a calm nervous system. When the body is balanced, hair receives a strong signal to grow. When the body is stressed, inflamed, or deficient, that signal weakens. Growth slows, the resting phase becomes longer, and shedding increases. No shampoo can override this decision. No oil can force growth. No cream can fix internal imbalance. Hair grows only when the body allows it. Hair is a reflection. It reflects your nutrition, your hormones, your sleep quality, your stress level, your blood sugar balance, and your level of inflammation. That is why hair loss often begins weeks or even months after emotional stress, illness, extreme dieting, or chronic fatigue. The cause always comes first. Hair loss appears later. Hair grows in cycles: a growth phase, a resting phase, and a shedding phase. Healthy hair stays longer in the growth phase. But when cortisol stays high, when iron is low, when protein intake drops, or when inflammation becomes chronic, hair exits growth early. Now let's talk about nutrition, because hair is built from inside the body. Hair is protein. Low protein intake weakens hair structure and shortens the growth phase. Hair is made of protein, and when the body does not get enough protein, hair becomes weaker, the growth phase becomes shorter, and shedding slowly increases. The best protein sources that support hair growth include whole eggs, lean red meat in moderation, chicken, fish, and tuna. Plant-based protein sources are also important, such as lentils, chickpeas, beans, and legumes. The body does not use protein only to build hair, but also to repair tissue, support hormones, and renew cells. When the body receives enough protein on a daily basis, hair follicles receive a clear signal to grow. Iron delivers oxygen to hair follicles. Low iron means weak roots. Iron is essential for delivering oxygen to hair follicles. When iron levels are low, oxygen delivery decreases, hair roots weaken, and follicles slowly reduce activity. The best iron-rich foods include liver, red meat, spinach, arugula, lentils, and chickpeas. Iron absorption improves when combined with vitamin C, such as lemon, oranges, or bell peppers. Iron deficiency is one of the most common hidden causes of hair loss, especially in men under chronic stress or fatigue. Zinc supports tissue repair and scalp healing. Zinc plays a key role in tissue repair and scalp healing. It supports follicle strength, reduces inflammation, and improves the quality of hair growth. Good dietary sources of zinc include red meat, eggs, nuts, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds. Low zinc levels can lead to weak hair, slow follicle recovery, and increased shedding over time. Vitamin D activates growth signals inside the follicle. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, it is a powerful regulator of growth signals inside the hair follicle. When vitamin D levels are low, hair growth signals weaken, even if nutrition appears adequate. The best sources of vitamin D include moderate sun exposure, eggs, fatty fish like salmon and sardines, and cod liver oil. Vitamin D helps reactivate dormant follicles and supports a healthier hair growth cycle. B vitamins support cellular energy and hair thickness. B vitamins are essential for cellular energy and hair thickness. They help hair cells divide properly, support stronger hair strands, and reduce weakness and breakage. Rich sources of B vitamins include eggs, liver, whole grains, oats, and legumes. Hair cannot grow without energy, and cellular energy begins with B vitamins. Magnesium calms the nervous system and reduces stress-related shedding. Magnesium plays a vital role in calming the nervous system. When stress becomes chronic, cortisol rises and hair shedding increases. Magnesium-rich foods include nuts, almonds, cashews, seeds, dark leafy greens, and oats. Magnesium supports relaxation, improves sleep quality, and reduces stress-related hair loss. Hair does not grow in a stressed environment. It grows in a calm, balanced body. Hair does not need extremes. It needs consistency. Regular meals, balanced nutrition, stable blood sugar, no starvation, no crash dieting. Now let's talk about daily habits that silently damage hair. Hot water strips the scalp and increases inflammation. Strong water pressure irritates follicles day after day. Scrubbing with nails creates micro-injuries that weaken follicles over time. Damage accumulates quietly. Hair pays the price later. The correct shower routine is simple but powerful. Use lukewarm water. Keep pressure gentle. Massage with fingertips only. Slow, calm movements. Wash hair 2 to 3 times per week, not every day. After washing, do not rub aggressively. Do not brush soaking wet hair. Do not apply heat immediately. Hair needs recovery time. Now let's speak honestly about shampoos and hair products. Most shampoos are cleaners, not treatments. Harsh sulfates, alcohol, heavy fragrances, unknown formulas. They damage the scalp barrier and increase inflammation. Constantly switching products confuses the scalp. One suitable shampoo used consistently is enough. Shampoo cleans, it does not grow hair. Oils and creams can protect hair, but excess blocks follicles. Heavy products suffocate the scalp. Styling chemicals dry the hair shaft. Hair does not grow because of products. Hair grows because the body allows growth. If the body is inflamed, deficient, or stressed, no oil can fix that.
A healthy scalp needs oxygen. Itching, burning, flakes, greasy buildup, tenderness, pain. These are signs of inflammation. Treat the scalp first. Hair follows naturally. Sleep repairs tissue. Chronic stress raises cortisol. High sugar fuels inflammation. Calm routines, movement, sunlight, and proper rest support hair recovery.
If this video helped you understand your hair better, support the channel by liking this video. Subscribe to Dr. PureHealth for more real medical explanations about hair, nutrition, and overall health. Share this video with anyone struggling with hair loss or confused by products. And if you have a question or want a medical topic explained next, write it in the comments. Your questions help shape our future videos. Stop asking, "What should I put on my hair?" Start asking, "What is happening inside my body?" Hair does not need miracles. It needs balance. This is Dr. PureHealth, where understanding always comes before treatment.